Day number 2. Yesterday we earned $314 and showed excellent results, but can the automated bot surprise us even more today? Let's find out if we can earn more than $10,000 in a week. Yesterday was a great trading session, but today we are raising our stakes and the Autobot will trade at $100. Let's see what amount we end our second day of trading with. The Autobot is set up, and now all we have to do is watch it work. You were very active in yesterday's video, for which we thank you very much. We also remind new clients that the Autobot is completely free and can be accessed via the link in the description. The start has been made, the first successful trade is in, which means everything should go well. Just like yesterday, we'll be accelerating the trades in 5 increments, so you can observe how the bot analyzes the market and adapts dynamically. Wow! All trades were positive in the first half. I can't stop repeating that the best solution for trading is automated trading, friends. Try our automated bot and see for yourself. Now we're moving on to the second half. He got a lot of minuses in the second half, and now it will be interesting to see how he will correct the situation, whether he will be able to rehabilitate. Oh yeah! The bot not only returned our lost funds, but our balance also surpassed $1,000. And this is only the second day of our trading week, friends. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the results on day 5.